I have a general idea of why we use tariffs, but I'm still unclear as to who pays these tariffs and where the money goes. So help me to understand the process. Hi, I'm Dr. Sarita Jackson, founder and CEO of the Global Research Institute of International Trade. Welcome to another episode of Trade on Tuesdays at 2. This is a common question that I also get from business owners. Well, when we talk about tariffs, and I'll also refer to them as import duties just for the sake of this episode. With the import duties, it is the importer of record who pays these import duties, and the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, or CBP, assesses those duties. Here are two things that you need to know when we're talking about the tariff process. Number one, tariffs are assessed on the value of the good that is imported into the United States and classified according to its classification under the Harmonized Tariff Schedule, or HTS. The HTS, or Harmonized Tariff Schedule, is used to determine the duty rate for any particular good that comes into the U.S. market. And number two, the importer of record, or the licensed customs broker, will pay these duties at the port of entry. And once these duties are paid, the goods will be released. They can also be paid electronically through what is called the Automated Commercial Environment, or ACE system. These are two things that you need to know for today. Thank you for joining me on another episode of Trade on Tuesdays at 2. And if you require additional guidance, go ahead, sign up for a one-on-one consultation, or just join me at an upcoming event throughout the month of May. We have our workshops and panel discussions, and all of that information is in the description below.